Hello, is it working? Are we back? Oh, no. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Are we back?
Let's see. Looks like
Okay.
we are.
Well, we're gonna have to wait for them to, like, figure out what happened, you know?
Yeah, it's back on.
Okay.
Alright, sorry everybody. Looks like we had like a Wi-Fi disconnect, so.
Oh, that's so annoying.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, well, we'll just chill, you know?
Looks like nobody's back on the stream, so.
Okay, on the old stream, I'll put a comment with the new video title. You know?
Yeah.
This is the old one. That is annoying as heck. Oh, wait, this is a new stream. I put this one in the old stream, right? Not the old stream in the new stream. Wi-Fi went off for 30 seconds. Join the new stream here. Comment. Let me also like post it right here. Sorry, Wi-Fi went out. Here's the new one.
Sucks, man.
Yeah, that's fine. That's happened before, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, well, where are we? We're here. Oop. Alright. Let's see. I'm gonna go back. You talk about the sim. I don't know. Talk about stuff. I have to go.
Alright, sounds good. Alright. Hopefully, most of you guys will be able to rejoin back in. Sorry about that Wi-Fi outage. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about the simulation, you can put in the comments. I guess I'll kind of talk about it a little bit until Daniel gets back. Pretty much we're just trying to simulate the rocket launch with PID controller, and then we're trying to throw in error and that kind of stuff. So we have pretty much, it's a two-dimensional model at the moment, and then we have the engine force and the motor mount, so it correctly changes where the forces are applying when the motor mount tilts, and then it applies the torque to the rocket. And then we have things like the mass of the rocket and its moment of inertia in the sim too. And then we have the PID loop with the values. And we're also accounting for things like delay. I think we currently have like a 7.5 millisecond delay is what we have in the sim right now. Hopefully that's accurate. And then we also have things like rate limit to make sure the sim isn't surpassing what the actual servo can do in terms of how fast the servo can move. And yeah, and there's other stuff too. Looks like no one's watching right now anyway, so
That's fine. They'll watch it later. It's because it went out. Wi-Fi went out. I'll just wait. We got time to wait. Alright. We'll switch to this view. One viewer, I guess.
alright guys.
Oh, he's here.
Alright. Make sure if you have any questions about our static fire that we're going to be doing today, just drop them in the chat, or just say hi, whatever you guys want. I know there doesn't seems to be one viewer now, maybe not even anyone, but yeah. Hey, how are you?
Doing good, and you?
Pretty good.
Just pretty good.
Good. All right, we got a question from Delta Space Systems. How big is the difference between the two sets of PID gains on the Sims? Actually, quite a big difference. On the sim that was the JavaScript that we didn't make, we found that the gains were pretty low, like about 0.3, 0.5, something around there on the P gain, and then pretty low I and D gain values. And then on the Simulink simulation I made, I was getting better results with much higher gains, except for the P value. I was getting like I gains at 1 and P gains at like 1.6, which are quite high, to be honest. We're just going to test them out and see what happens, because that's just what I noticed seemed to be working the best for my simulation on Simulink.
Alright, can't find the fire extinguisher, but we have water and we have a tarp.
Oh, okay. So you're set up with the hose right now. So
We have the water bottles.
and water bottles and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, that should be all right because you're surrounded by brick here. I just want to make sure.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah, whenever I'm ready.
Alright, yeah.
Give me a countdown because I'm going to try and video it with my.
Yeah.
In fact, I think I'm good.
Alright, D12.
So if something
Should I set
happens, it
GoPros?
hits you first. Get it?
Did I set up GoPros?
You don't mind if I'm back with you?
Not at all.
Did I set up GoPros?
Yeah, sure.
Gotta double check if the mount's strong enough. Well, I was able to lift the table and that block of wood with it, so I can move it still.
Yeah, it's just a D12. So
Yeah.
so is the D12 in there really tight,
Yeah,
or are you expecting it to poop out?
it's pretty tight. It has a plug. If it poops out, it poops out.
So, in
Yeah.
other words, if it poops out, that's not a planned event,
But
it's
fine.
okay.
Yeah.
Okie dokie. So, how steady? You do want it on a gimbal, don't you? Yeah. Right. I got it.
Yeah. Straight there.
Yeah, that's what I'm wanting to also.
I'll like calibrate it once out.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's set. GoPros are running?
Not running, but ready.
Ready?
I'm ready. Yeah, you're gonna double check.
Yeah.
All your electronics, right?
Yeah. Just gonna make sure.
You just have the little Estes thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Am I forgetting anything?
You don't give a checklist
No.
other than mental.
Let's just push two buttons and push that button.
Yeah,
And push those buttons.
Looks like we got another question, Daniel.
Yeah.
It says, do you account for the ratio between the servo and TVC mount in your sim?
Yeah.
So I think we don't have it accounted for in the sim, but we have it accounted for in the software of the actual.
In my sim.
Yeah, in the software for the actual rocket, we have it accounted for, so it'll properly scale What was the ratio again, Daniel?
2.
2 to 1.
Yeah.
So as in the servo moves 2 degrees, the mount moves 1.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it'll just it would divide it by 2, right?
To rock and roll.
Or no, I don't know. But it's accounted for in the
You got
rocket.
all
So
your computer stuff, so that's going to download to the computer every 100 milliseconds.
Yeah. It downloads all at the end. So it saves it and then it closes it. It's
So it does say.
yeah, it saves it. It's kind of complicated, but
No,
It's it.
it.
this is at the right settings, right? 240 wide.
yeah. And yours is at 240, I believe, as well. So. All right, we're about to start, so grab your popcorn, everyone.
All right.
We have everything set up. We got GoPros recording.
Yeah.
Delta Space System says, I'm guessing that's the reason why your gains are higher in the MATLAB simulation you made. The other sim accounts for it. No, I don't think that is why, because the Simulink simulation and the other one that we used are both do not account for it. It's just being accounted. We're just accounting for it in the actual flight software in the actual rocket. So
We're gonna get started. So you ready?
yeah.
You ready? Everything's rolling.
All right, we're about to start. So
Andres, you wanna take
everything
video?
should be rolling. Yeah, I can take video on my phone too.
Yeah.
Actually, I can record with both phones. Yours is on 4K 60. I can put mine on slow-mo.
Yeah.
How's that sound?
Sure. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a big moment. Alright, we're ready.
All right.
Headphone in case it's super loud. I think we should be good. This is my D12-0 on my simulator, quote unquote my simulation. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I went opposite.
Yeah, kind of. But alright. Well, seems
That was interesting.
yeah.
That looks like, I don't know, did that go to the maximum deflection or no?
We'll have to look at the video.
I saw it went to like about this much.
Yeah.
Is that like as far as it goes?
Is that-
No. So
leave it because it's logging data.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Yeah.
I think I kind of see what happened there. It kind of like tilted a certain amount and then it just kind of locked itself.
Yeah.
At like.
Yeah. All right.
Well, you're
that
gonna
wasn't
have to
terrible.
look at the video. That's
Video
the
and
best.
data and everything. Yeah.
Right.
Okay, data saved.
Nice.
So are you gonna do it again with a different simulation?
All right.
Different motor?
Yeah, different software.
Different PID values.
Yeah, got it. Okay.
All right. So that one right there was the values for
That look.
the JavaScript sim that we did not make.
It didn't look that bad. It tilted just a bit.
It
Well, that's what I was
and then it
wondering.
kind
It
of
was
like
tilted,
itself
and
in.
what I saw was the motor was tilted this way, which means it would do that, which
Yeah.
we talked about the other day.
Because it was tilted maybe like that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
The maximum is this. I don't think it was this far.
it was not.
Right. Yeah.
It, like-
wasn't maximum. That's
Yeah.
for sure. So maybe it was, just doing what it's supposed
Yeah.
to.
We'll have to
It
look
looked
at the
me
data.
from this angle that the motor was.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was like this. The rocket's like this, and the motor was pointed
Yeah.
this way, so it would just turn that up.
That was better than I thought it would go.
Yeah.
All
That was not bad.
Get with it. I got to be somewhere. So
All right. Yeah.
put your other motor in and do whatever you're gonna do. There's no rush. Don't I don't have to be somewhere for another 45 minutes.
Yeah. I gotta re-upload it different. Let me first download it, just for.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
We learned that lesson last year,
Yeah.
and I mean we.
Yeah. It looks like it blew the plug out, so I guess I'll have to do a better job.
Oh yeah, where's the motor? Did you pick it up? Is it up?
All right. Yeah.
All right. Delta Space System says seemed like a misalignment to me.
Yeah.
So did you plug? Oh, here's the plug. Yeah.
Yeah.
So was this? Oh, I see.
That was a plug.
3D printed, and then you used
Friction and
the glue gun, right?
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, probably be better.
Yeah.
No matter, it still works. Hopefully, it didn't damage anything going up that way.
No, and there's also like another seal that's like below. So
Those two wires are not connected, right?
yeah, those 2 wires are like for nothing. Those are just there for like mass. Yeah. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Let me just download that data real quick. Copy. Paste. Okay. The data is on my computer too. Is it? Hello? Okay. I'll also put it like on a hard drive real quick, just in case it don't. Okay. Let's eject this.
Oh, I'll get to your PID values.
Oh yeah, eject. Let me open the software. Upload. Yeah, I think it might have been a misalignment because like it didn't go all the way. It didn't oscillate too much though, right? It wasn't going back.
It kind of
and
like
forth.
went, and then it was very stable.
It was just trying to correct.
Yeah.
It was very stable at a.
Yeah. Hey, look at me and smile. Pretend like you're doing something.
Okay, yeah.
That's even better. Yeah, there you go.
Disconnects.
Perfect.
Okay, what are the values?
1.6
Just so they know who to arrest.
for the P term. 1.6.
Too much software. So.
Oh, and do you
Does this
have the
help you so
other
you can
values
see
written
better?
down somewhere?
Yeah.
Or do you want me to write them down?
So 1.6.
Oh, wait, that was 0.25.
Yeah.
1 second.
Oh yeah.
Something.
The old values are 0.25, 0.2, and 0.2.
Right.
You got that?
Yeah.
Okay. 1.6. What's the next one?
1.
So 1 for I. These are pretty big, but
Yeah, I know,
I'm trusting you.
0.4.
0.4. All right.
We'll see what happens.
Go ahead and upload. Takes a while, you know. There you go.
So that uploaded all the data.
Yeah.
Just then. Yeah, excellent.
You just double check. Oh, the SD card's not in. So I gotta put that in for it to work, you know. I had this backup because I knew.
You didn't just erase it by checking, did you?
No.
Good. Okay.
So I had this backup thing because I knew, like
Yeah,
one time I'm
right.
gonna forget to put the SD card in.
Yeah, there you go.
So now it detects that. There we go. Oh, did the socket come off? Sorry.
No, you're good.
This is a bad like SD card holder because like.
Because it's the micro.
Yeah. Then the regular.
And they rarely. Yeah. I always have trouble with the micros.
Yeah. Come on.
That's what those. Remember those little cameras I brought for Rocket Club?
Yeah.
They had the little micro ones in there. You know, if they don't click right, then you can't say anything else.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this also has like a flash chip on it, so if it doesn't go on the SD card, I can just.
So did you just download from the flash chip?
Yeah. Well, that's for the flight, because like during the flight, so the pins don't get disconnected.
Yeah,
okay, there we go. Put the battery back. Maybe I should like do some wire management, cable management. But...
No, just get some tweezers.
Yeah. There we go.
Because you don't have tiny fingers anymore.
Yeah. Yep. Okay. Yeah, we're good. All right. Well, on Dress's values. Yeah.
Got the motor.
That's the sweet smell of.
The motors I put down over here.
Okay. I'll just check the screen, just make sure everything's.
So which motor do you need?
On the stream. All right.
The C11-0?
Yeah, it has an igniter in it.
Okay, got it. Is that what you just shot?
We just did D12.
Oh, okay. So you just want to see if there's any difference?
Yeah. And then we had 2 different simulations for the software.
Looks like we're good.
Got a little competition. But not really.
But shouldn't you do both software with the same type in there?
Probably, but
D12? You just did the D12.
But if it works with the D12, then it's gonna work with the C11 because you can put in different thrust values in there. You put in the thrust.
Yeah. I guess I
That's
tuned.
comparison, you know.
I guess I tuned it for the C11.
Yeah.
So that's fine.
Yeah. I would have to go and do a little tuning. To.
If it works, that's just what matters, you know. So it's somewhere.
Do you need something?
Tape. Is there any tape there? I think I put some in the black telephone.
There's black tape.
Electrical?
That's the only tape I have.
Yeah, where's the other one? Just take the tape off this one.
Oh, he needs it. Oh. Yeah, I need to get some good tape, but it's expensive.
Oh, please. $2? Even $5?
$2.
Hey, by the way, how do I unsubscribe from that? It's not that I don't want to give you guys money.
It's just you don't want the merch.
I don't want the merch.
Yeah. I'll have to get to you with that later.
So
Yeah.
there may be like you just go in and find an email.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should just let you cancel.
I'd rather just give you guys cash instead of prolonging it and then getting all the schlock. Not that I didn't appreciate it, but it's
Don't want it twice.
I don't want it.
Yeah. The shirt was pretty cool, though, right?
The shirt was cool, yeah. Nice design. Let me do a test.
That's good.
So what have you been doing besides school? You guys are done with cross country and stuff like that.
Yeah, I wasn't running cross country. Yeah, I've been working on my tennis. Mainly.
Oh, you're the tennis guy.
Yeah.
So how'd that go?
It's been going pretty good.
When does the competition start?
The season starts next year, but they're still playing, so.
Yeah, right. I mean,
Yeah.
Just check the other sim and it counts for the ratio between servo. Yeah, it does. Yeah. So if you guys haven't seen, we did our. If you guys here, let me switch. So they can see my beautiful face now.
how many people are watching?
4 to like 6. If you guys didn't know what we're doing this little like competition. Not a really competition because it's not really fair, you know. But I found a sim online. It's linked somewhere. It's from like Cygnus Aerospace, and then I'm using a sim that he made, just like changing it with the values, and then he made a sim in Simulink, and then we did the first test with that old sim or the sim that I got off the internet, and this one is with his. And we're gonna see which one works better. And we already did the first one. You can go back in the stream and watch. It was interesting. We're gonna have to relook.
It was pretty interesting. The good thing is it didn't look like it freaked out, so that's good. But the other, don't worry about it.
Yeah, it's.
But the only thing is that it kind of moved a little bit to the side, not all the way, so that was good. Only a little bit, and then it just kind of sat there.
Yeah.
So that's. Of course, not perfect, but it really was not bad at all either. So we're going to see what happens with my values now for PID values. And my values are much more aggressive. So we're going to see if that means that the rocket ends up going perfectly straight or if that makes it go crazy. Hopefully they're better, but we'll just have to see.
This is sealed here, and there's another seal. You nervous? That last one, before we started, I was nervous, man.
Yeah. My PID values don't make it.
Yeah. Mountain will look well.
Hopefully it's nice and stable.
Like, takes a pain.
So you guys inoculated?
Yeah.
Like your second one?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Does matter? Does matter the
Yeah.
one?
Why? Yeah. The mount is strong. Because it was designed by K9 Rocket.
It was designed by what?
It was designed by K9 Rocket, Brandon Martin.
Yeah, no.
Not a K9, but that's a name.
No,
Yeah.
I get it. Yeah.
Are we ready for
I think
another?
so. You're ready. Has the GoPro been rolling the whole?
No, I turned it off.
Nice.
So, how do you make it so it's parallel with this one? To start with.
This inside part? Or the
No, the nozzle of the motor. See, right now it's.
Oh, it aligns it. It knows the position of the servo, and I align it beforehand.
So you go view it and then line it.
Yeah, it aligns it. Yeah. Took me so long to like do that. That's pretty.
It's okay.
PID will account for it, right?
Hopefully, yeah.
Hopefully.
Well, I turn.
Yeah, I turn. Alright. I'm not forgetting anything. No. Yeah. Alright. Uno.
When you hit the button, you should see that motor move this way. There.
That was something actually. Yeah.
So did you want to hook them up first?
Now let me double check the.
Oh yeah, see it's like this now.
Is it a bit off?
It's off this way. It's turning my line. Does it look that way? See how it's.
Seems fine relative to the ground.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it should have come.
I see. I guess yeah.
Do you see what I'm seeing?
I do see what you're saying.
How much? Here, let me turn it on.
It's a couple degrees.
Yeah.
It's like
Wait.
pointing that way.
Yeah, it's pointing forward.
Now it.
Well, now it's pointing.
Oh, and now it's this.
Now it's
Let me just double check. Did they get missed a lot?
Well, I don't know. When the dead one. See, that looks virtually straight up and down there. This direction. How about the other?
Now it's tilted a degree or two, maybe less, but in the other direction.
Okay.
There, now it's perfect after you tap it.
Yeah. All right, leave it alone. Oh, but you gotta put the things on, so you gotta do it all over again.
I see it. Double check this isn't misaligned.
Yeah.
Alright, we good? Oh wait, but I have to put the clips on.
Right.
Because the clips, yeah.
And then you gotta do all your buttons. That's what I just said.
Is it being out?
Yeah,
Controller?
it is. I pulled
Okay.
it out earlier.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Okay. Is it aligned?
Yeah.
Okay. If there's a misalignment, the PID accounts for it.
Okay,
right?
boys, stand over by it. Okay, and then when you're ready, back away from the device. Okay, right. It's doing its thing.
Yep. Oh, and then now it's off. It's just aligned now.
It's fine. It's because it's fine because when it calibrated, it aligned, so it'll account for it when it starts.
Alright.
Yeah. Ready? Started?
No.
You got the other camera going, the big camera?
Yeah, it's always recording for the stream.
Oh, that's the one that's recording
Yeah.
for the audio.
All right. Are we ready?
Phones again?
Yeah. Oh man.
I'll do the same thing again. I'll put mine in
Yeah.
slow motion.
Yours in 4K60. Okay, I guess I'm going to.
We'll see how this one goes. Alright, this is a C11 R simulation that I'm just made.
Okay, say that all again.
C11 Simulink PID calculated from Simulink that I'm just made.
Okay.
Checking for continuity. We're good? Alright. Okay, something's going on. Let's call it off. Something's off. The TVC will get stopped.
Oh yeah, it sure is. Yeah.
Looks like it's.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it like drifted too much over time.
Is that my aggressive values causing problems?
Maybe.
Well, you guys did say it was a competition. See, I think that slow-mo with the first one is going to teach you a lot.
Yeah.
Because I'm wondering if there was the same problem, but we were just too excited to see it.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Piece of time. Something's wrong with the x-axis now. Oh my goodness. Sorry. This is weird. I think maybe the earlier flight threw stuff off.
Oh yeah, that looks right.
Yeah, but this y-axis is misaligned.
Oh.
Yeah.
Do you have set screws or something that determines where it goes?
Oh yeah. I just wanna. I may have to realign it. Are the GoPros off?
Oh, they're recurring.
Yeah, that's misaligned.
I'm gonna have to go grab a screwdriver and realign it.
Alright.
So keep the chat. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I have to realign it. Sorry.
No, that's all right. I still have 20 minutes, so.
Doesn't seem like much has been going on in the chat, so.
Have you guys heard any cranes go over today?
Any what?
Cranes? Sand Hill cranes? You know, the birds that go over. No?
I guess not.
Yeah, you okay.
I guess I know.
Luckily, it's already on the mount, so it's like easy to align.
How's your parents doing? I haven't seen them in a while.
Oh yeah, they're doing well.
We're doing good.
Yeah.
Good. Good.
Yeah,
Did you
thank
let
you.
them know what's going on? Because they might have not been able to hear us.
Oh yeah, I think they can hear, but nothing's really been going on in the chat, so we're just kind of working on getting this aligned at the moment. It got misaligned, possibly from our previous static fire, but
Yeah, I'll just leave it.
and remember guys, if you guys have any questions, just make sure to drop them in the chat. We'll make sure to answer them when we can. So
Sorry, this is like a guess and check.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Is all this for this year's science fair? And have I asked you that before?
Yeah, this is
It is, and I probably have asked you before too.
meant for fun.
Yeah, well, of course, yeah. All science is fun, especially when it works.
Hello. Now the thing won't turn on.
Well, try it again. Give it a few seconds after you turn it off.
There we go.
There you go. Hey, there you go. So it's straight up and down this way.
Yeah.
At least it was until you diddle with it.
That p value is so high that like.
See, as soon as you touch it, then the thing goes.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean,
Those are really high.
I know, man, but I don't know. It may work well because it's designed to correct even the smallest
Yeah.
of.
Right, but yeah, what you need.
Yeah.
Is 2 seconds.
Maybe.
Yeah, it's got a mind of its own.
Do you think we need to make it like engage a little bit after it?
I can do that by just pushing this button. Like this is like I'm moving like this, and the motor's moving plus minus 5 degrees.
Yeah, right.
I think those are really high.
I don't know.
I don't think those.
Do you want to try them? Or do you? I don't know. It's up to you, but.
I'm like 80% sure it's not gonna work.
Well, then it was. Then you win the competition.
Oh yeah, but we can still do it.
I don't know.
That's pretty darn high.
You're pretty sure that. Well, give it a try. Maybe it's gonna.
I don't know.
You know,
Yeah,
again,
you should give it a try. Because
in our
maybe it'll be like
excitement of the
really
first-
good.
Yeah.
Or maybe it'll be really bad. We'll
And
just have to
the
see.
excitement of the first one, maybe we weren't looking for all this detailed stuff. I know I didn't. There, see, that's perfect right there. Oh, wait.
And then this thing, yeah. Let me realign.
All right. Well, I got to leave in probably 10 minutes.
Okay.
In fact, I'll set my alarm just for fun. See if I can do it.
That's perfect right there.
And keep in mind, you're going to have to do it all over once you get the
Yeah.
clips on.
Yep.
Okay, just make sure that. What are you looking for?
The screw.
Oh, no, the little set screw?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
I'm sorry. I've done that so many times.
I had 2 screws.
I'm just glad to see that, somebody else does it too.
So,
Are your GoPros going?
no.
No. Very good.
It's somewhere here.
Do you have a magnet?
A screwdriver does. That's not like.
Well, but it's better than nothing.
Yeah.
There's a little magnet on the end of the screwdriver, a little small screwdriver.
Should I go grab another one? I guess, yeah. I'll let you know if I find it. Okay.
Bring the whole box. Did you hear me?
Huh? Oh.
I don't know if you heard me. I said bring the whole box.
I don't know.
Because you never know.
Yeah.
Something keeps beeping over here.
Yeah.
Do you know what that is?
I'm not sure which button turns it on and off.
Yeah, okay. I just didn't know. Didn't know if it was
Oh,
important.
there we go. I just turned it off.
That's okay.
Things started beeping, Daniel, so I turned it off. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Still beeping. Something's still beeping.
Okay, that's on the scuffer thing, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, that's one of those solar gopher things that buzzes. Yeah. The vibration.
But that thing was just beeping that too.
Yeah,
So.
okay, all right. So
I know, I'm getting confused. There's so many little noises.
Yeah, this is the one that I heard. Yeah. Now that you mention it. Yeah, that's what it was. So funny. How's your back? That's pretty close.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I don't know. This is being a pain in the butt.
Are you gonna abort?
I'll do it one more time.
Is it just going crazy because of the high values?
Yeah, that, and it's like consistently misaligned.
Is it tight enough? Is it like sloping?
No, it's not.
Did you guys ever do robotics or something in middle school?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah, no?
We haven't, so.
You have not.
It's just that, like, I start it, right? It becomes misaligned just a bit, and it moves them out.
Yeah.
Oh, I see what you mean.
That one seems fine.
Yeah, this one's all misaligned. Is it because you're like
Yeah, it just
trying
seems.
to align it and it just moves when you try, or?
No, because I have it often to do that.
I'm sorry, I'm confused what the issue is.
Watch. It's perfectly straight, right?
Right. And now it's straight again. Straighter.
Well, now
Now
this
it went on. Yeah.
This one's all off now.
Well, why would it be? So how's it misaligning itself though?
Because these have to be set to
Well, right, but
this one's off.
well, why is it off? Right?
Because I don't know why it's off.
That's like seems weird to me. See, now it looks okay.
Yeah, 'cause it's like slow.
I don't know, it looks okay right there, actually.
Yeah, if you do that, yeah, put your clips on and then do exactly what you're doing, but don't restart.
So put these back on?
Put the clips back on.
Oh.
You know, the igniter clips.
Yeah, but I feel like that's just gonna mess
No,
up.
hold on, and then yeah, and then just diddle with it until it looks straight. Because there's some sort of force that the clips are going to have on that.
You have it like this and I think we will have to probably
Good.
I think that the value that this is like causing that.
How easy is it to
Why
change?
tells it to?
How easy is it to go back and change the value to something else? Just as a
I
test.
have to take it out, plug it in.
Oh, do the whole 9 yards again.
Plus, we're trying to see what it would do with higher values, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but if I can't even like get it to like realign it.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that one's
It's not. Yeah, it's not bad, but it's not good.
Why is it engaging so soon, though? Could you, like, set a delay, like, make it, like, wait, like, 10 seconds before
Well, because it
engage?
has to re-zero somehow. So
Where
is it
it, like-
re-zeroing and then every motion it's trying to correct?
Like, you know, could you make it zero out and
Or
then
five.
not enable the pits for another, like, 10 seconds or 15 seconds?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Have that delay
Well, then
time
I'd have
before.
to
I don't know, man.
Yeah, I rewind it and then it's all off.
Why is it, wait, I'm just confused, why is it drifting?
I don't know.
And what is drifting? Right, 'cause it's just higher P
Well, now
value.
that's good. It's because it goes just a bit, but the P value is so high that ratio makes it move.
Well, right, but
It's good
why
now.
would that mess up the sense of centering? Right?
No, because the center is one point where I start the code, right? But
Yeah,
since then
right.
It moves just a bit and it like.
Well, that's fine, right? As long as it still remembers where the initial value is, that's fine, right? So, like, I don't know, man.
Let's go for it. It's pretty aligned now with the rockets.
You want to just go ahead and try it?
Alright, I don't know.
We'll try it.
All right, we'll try it. And then I gotta go.
Let's record.
Camera's on.
Yeah.
That's all ready to go.
Yep.
Alright, sorry for the wait, guys.
Continuity. No continuity.
You have to push it. Yeah. Are you ready?
All right. Are you gonna do that?
Yep. Alright. C11-0. Some crazy. I don't know if this will work, but we'll try it.
C11-0.
Andres' sim. 10,
Give it a try.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that went to max, I think, right? Yeah.
So what timing? That's not too
Alright. It needs to sync. So
That's pretty interesting, though.
Yeah.
Well, the slow mo's gonna tell
Sorry,
you.
Bill.
That's good.
I didn't think it would work. Yeah.
We got data from it.
Well, that's the thing. They're gonna be able to look at the data and see what happened.
Yeah.
Alright, everything's saved.
Everything's safe?
Yeah.
You got the cameras on?
Yeah. Oh. So obviously, Hey.
I'll talk around
yeah.
the same way.
You heading out or?
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for coming out.
I'll go to I gotta get home before we go to the park.
Yeah.
Which is why I'm
Yeah. All right. Thanks for coming out. Yeah.
All right, see ya, thanks.
I'll text you tonight.
Good, yeah. Let me know how it goes.
Yeah. So the earlier one went better. I think there's something wrong with the sims. Even though this isn't like an actual flight, those like p-values were like way too big.
I don't know.
But the
I may
earlier
have been
test
trying
went
to
pretty good.
correct it too aggressively, and like there may be too much noise in real life.
Yeah. Let me see. Here, I do have the computers. I will open up the sim that we had before. Let's see, yeah, there. And then let me open this up.
I probably want to get going pretty soon. Too,
Okay.
so.
If you need a, yeah, okay.
Well, I mean, I gotta pack my stuff, so
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me just see. All right. Well, that was interesting. We'll have to. The first one went well. It's not enough. The first one I think went pretty well. I think we just need to tune that just a bit more. I think it was a misalignment. I think the first one was good. But the second one with your sim, I think that needs a bit of revision. Yeah. So I'll leave timestamps once this stream is finished. Probably tomorrow I'll post a video going through everything, look through the data and stuff. But thanks for coming out, guys. We'll see you on the next one.